water cycle. The water cycle shows how water moves around the earth. And water moves from the sea to the sky by evaporation, in which water becomes gas. When the water is in the sky, the temperature goes down and the precipitation starts, which can be rain, snow, or hailstones. The precipitation goes to the river and to the land. Depending on which area it flows to, the water will go to the sea or to the aquifer. If the land absorbs the water, it will go to the aquifers and then to the sea. But if it goes to the river, then water will go down the river and finally discharge to the sea. When this ends, the cycle starts again. Watching this cycle, we can deduce that water is always the same. Therefore, if we pollute it, it will be polluted forever. The water cycle is contaminated, and there are lots of things. One of that is water shadow global warming. All animals and plants need water to live, but water must be drinkable since we can contract a virus or an illness from it. The biggest part of the drinkable water is in the northern hemisphere, so the people from developing countries in the southern hemisphere contract illnesses more easily because they don't have access to medicine and water treatment. Moreover, due to this fact, we consume drinkable water and we pollute it. This essential liquid for survival is fish. Another problem is rubbish, that we throw rubbish to the river. Lots of industries and nuclear power stations produce toxic waste. When chemical and toxic elements are dumped to the river, water is polluted and it's very difficult to treat it. So lots of fish die every day due to this. There are lots of unconscious people who dump waste into the river and they don't realize about the consequences. On the one hand, some people are not aware to value that water is bad. Moreover, if people become aware of these consequences after educational campaign, they will help to slow the loss of on the other hand, countries have developed facilities to waste water with plants or plants to recover water and we cannot blame developing countries for the action because developed countries used to do the same some years ago.
Nowadays, we pollute the atmosphere too much. Therefore, there are more contaminating gases in it. According to the water cycle, when the water evaporates, it goes to the sky, creating clouds which are in contact with the atmosphere. The rain clouds take the gases in the atmosphere and the rain becomes more acidic. Acidic air pollutants are harmful for all living creatures. Because of global warming, every summer droughts are present. More water is evaporated, and if it doesn't rain, plants will dry. As a result, lots of areas will turn into a desert. Global warming is one of the biggest problems. Nowadays, the world's temperature has increased more than a century. Consequently, the two poles are disappearing. Due to this fact, the level of the sea will rise, but we won't have so much drinkable water. And what is the solution? Educate, save, preserve, and act. Water is a precious treasure.